repairs. Major's RV fixes lights, bearings, tires, springs. Don't wait to have a problem on the road. Get it fixed now. Get it fixed.
Just another day in Liberty City, I guess. Turns out you can't just drive down a road without somebody coming head on towards you. Well, anyway, I picked up a 2011 Kia Optima SX Turbo. This one has a blown motor, but it's in relatively good shape, and the price was right, so I thought I'd pick it up, and now I own it. So I don't really know what to do with it. I don't really have a plan. It just kind of came up on me. It's in relatively good shape other than the motor and the bald tires. The interior is pretty nice. Outside is pretty nice. But there's quite a few options in my head right now of what I could do. The engine is a Theta II turbo, which is Kia's version of the 4B11 that comes in the Lancer Evolution. So those are some options there potentially. Maybe I can swap in a 2.4, which is the larger displacement version of this motor. There's an open recall through Kia for these motors because there's a casting error or something which caused these motors to blow up. Maybe I'll just flip it and see how much money I can make. I'm not really sure. So leave your comments below and let me know what you think I should do with it. Wash your hands, please, and don't touch your face.